You had a chance to start looking at this situation with Jada's steps and then Noah's steps as part of the do now. We're going to continue to use this situation to do a quick review on finding constant of proportionality from a table and using it to write an equation. So we should remember that finding constant of proportionality, we reviewed this yesterday, all we need to do is find a y and x value that represent the same point and do y divided by x. So thinking about this problem here, what is the constant of proportionality? Please write your division problem and your answer. So you should have something that is some number divided by something equals the constant of proportionality. So depending on which person you thought of as x, you probably got one of two answers. So you could have thought of Jada as x and Noah as y, which might lead you to do something like 10 divided by 8, which would give you 1.25. But you may have thought of Noah as x, in which case you would have done 8 divided by 10, which equals 0.8. Right now, with the information we have, both of those are correct. So we do have to always do y divided by x, but in this situation, it's not clear which is y and which is x. We're going to go ahead and think of Jada as x for the purposes of this example and Noah as y. The main reason we're going to do that is because the math convention is that when we see a table, the first part of the table is x and the second part is y. This way, a pair of values in the table, like 8, 10, looks like an ordered pair with x coming first and y coming second. So we're going to use 1.25 as the constant of proportionality for the rest of this example. So we're going to go ahead and take some notes now, reminding us how to write an equation when we know the constant of proportionality. So we've already found the constant of proportionality for this table is 1.25. Remember that we're saying Jada is x and Noah is y because x is the first thing we see in the table. That's the math convention. So we know find the constant of proportionality is y divided by x. And then we're going to remember that our equation for a proportional relationship is y equals k x. K is the constant of proportionality. So all we need to do is replace k, that letter, with the actual number that represents the constant of proportionality. So we'll write y equals the number for constant of proportionality times x. The constant of proportionality for this problem is 1.25. So the equation is y equals 1.25x.